So now we have two streams joining here. One is coming from that direction, probably from inside here. Another one is coming from here, and there is a bridge up there which links to that side. And you see this, you see the different shades, but this all is, I think, from inside is a single rock. This all from top to bottom is the same. And behind this is the Hamta Valley. It's like a little far from here, but it's somewhere behind this. And probably deep inside, if you go, you'll end up in Hamta or Spiti Valley. No one around you. Yeah. Good place to make love, huh? Yeah. What do you guys say? Do mention in comment your opinions. I don't know which way to go. I forgot to carry the map also. Let me go and check the bridge first. Yeah. Lots of friendly plants. Huge rocks are there. इतने बड़े बड़े पत्थर. अरे साहब जी लग गई. ये क्या है यार? रोड वहाँ जा रहा है, फिर ऐसे आ रहा है, फिर ऐसे आ रहा है, फिर वैसे, फिर ऐसे वैसे ऐसे वैसे. मतलब अरे रोड की लेंथ बढ़ा, मतलब वो लेंथ बढ़ा के एस्टिमेट बढ़ाना था क्या? हैं? थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा एलिवेशन दे देते यार, क्या जाता तुम्हारा? हाँ? ओके, थोड़ा सा छोटा हो जाता है और क्या? ऊपर से और पानी आ रहा है. ओके. हाँ, I'm just wearing these sport shoes. I am not carrying anything else. So and just one pair of socks I have, which I'm wearing. So I have to be cautious. Okay. This is the bridge. As far as I can remember, I just saw one stream. Probably I followed the road only. What should I do? Water from that side is, if you can see, look, it's coming with more pressure. You see, it's more white, and from water from here, it's less, and it's not that much white. So I think if I go this way, I'll face more elevation, and if I go this way, probably not, or less water. This is also pretty, you see this, okay, decent place to camp. It's 4:15 of the evening. I have another hour if I want to proceed ahead, and if I don't, then it's fine. I can camp here. Look, so these, I have to check this water, and this is good. Yeah, yes, it's clean. Pretty much. I can drink it. Oh, it's cold. Oh fuck. It's cold, very cold. Oh fuck, my hands. Whoa, it's sweet, cold, yeah. Oh. And if I want to take shower, I can take shower here. Okay, look. It doesn't It's very old, and I'm not sure. Look. Oh. Cow 2767. I'm not sure whether I should go this way or not. It doesn't look like a regular way. Look, there is a log of wood here, but it's of no use. It's all wet. But I can find pretty good wood here. It looks dry. So in case I want to, I stay here, I want to burn, it will be good. I'm more interested going deep into the valley instead of this one. This one looks pretty like dense forest, and this one doesn't. Sound safe? Okay, now I'll head back safely. You have to be very cautious. This is very dry wood and looks very old. Haven't been repaired for a long time. So, okay, I'll fall back and I'll continue the way I was going. Oh! Yeah! Okay, thank you for the water. Dear nature, you always should thank. Nature, God are the things with whom you should never mess. Never ever. I think I'll follow this. Yeah. Let's do it. Because कहीं उन्होंने पंगे ले लिए ना, तुम्हारे लेने के देने पड़ जाएंगे, याद रखना. आओ, कौन जाए यार उधर. मारते हैं एक और शॉर्टकट. क्या करें यार. चलो, पंगे लिए हैं तो ले ही लेते हैं बच्चे से. ओके, तो ये ब्लॉक हुआ है और मे बी दिस, ये पत्थर है भाई साहब. दिस वन इज ब्लॉकिंग दिस वे. So this is diverting because यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइड्स होती रहती है. Pretty common here. तो पानी कभी भी अपना रास्ता बदल देता है. यार थोड़ा सा गलत आ गया. I should have gone this way. ओके, इधर से चलते हैं. रास्ता तो है नहीं, बस बनाते चलो. No, it doesn't fit. Just kidding. You see this? ये इसके शायद बीज हैं. Seeds. These are the seeds, I think. Once they are ripe, so you roast them and it's very good to eat. Oh, look man, how I am coming. Whoa. यार भाई कमांडो ट्रेनिंग हो रही है इधर तो. हाँ. अरे यार. Oh shit, no. Oh, sorry. I should have probably bought my boots because यहाँ पे उनका मज़ा आना था यार पानी में चलने का. वो मैं LOC क्रॉस करने वाला हूँ. Yeah, this is the LOC. बॉर्डर बोले तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान, मतलब इंडिया बांग्लादेश भी बॉर्डर है यार. इंडिया नेपाल है, इंडिया म्यांमार है, इंडो चाइना है. हाँ, बॉर्डर ही बॉर्डर है. और भाई साहब बॉर्डर बोले तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान, और बॉर्डर वा के पास तो हम आ गए. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? IED. You see, IEDs are like this. छोड़ दो यार. कहीं सच में आईडी लग गई ना, निकल गई, मेरे लेने के देने पड़ जाएंगे। वाह लुक, ये क्या है, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल। चलो, पता नहीं क्या था भाई। लुक, सेम वायर। आई थिंक आई शुड, वायर कैसी है देख लेता हूँ यार, क्या है ये। ऐसे ही रहने देता हूँ यार। लुक, वन मोर। एंड दिस, क्या है यार। एंड ये जितनी भी वायर है सारी इस फेंसिंग के साथ में चली हुई है। यूज PPEs एट वर्क साइट। अरे भाई, किसी को PPE पता है? प्लीज़ मेरे को बताना यार, PPE क्या होता है। हाँ, PPE क्या हो सकता है? PPE, P for I don't know, P for again I don't know, E for explosive. plastic explosive. No. Permanent plastic explosive. No. P टाइम पास के लिए लगाया होगा, प्लास्टिक एक्सप्लोसिव। C4 लिख देते यार सीधा। यूज C4। कहाँ से आ रहे हैं यार, वो नीचे से दिख भी नहीं रहा है कहाँ से आ रहे हैं। भाई साहब, अभी तो गर्मी में मैं चढ़ रहा हूँ, ठीक है, वापिस इसी रास्ते आना है। ये क्या है यार? एक और। ओके, हाँ, क्या चीज़ है? यार, ये रोड बनाने में वायर का क्या यूज है? ये देखो, अगेन दिस, रोड बनाने में वायर का क्या यूज हो सकता है? चलो चलते हैं। हाँ, तो मैं बोल रहा था भाई, जा तो रहा हूँ मैं, आते टाइम पता लगेगा। So we have reached curve 24, 5917 RD. Yeah. So now I'm at little more altitude than I was earlier. Beside this bank of this stream. So it was very good decision not to go inside this valley. From here I can see this is very dense forest. So it's very risky, and I told you that looking at this whiteness of the water, it has more velocity than the water which was coming from this valley. Okay, so it's coming from higher altitude, and if I am not wrong, just have a look there. Like, let me show you this one. You can see a white kind of a stream. Okay, so this is the place from where this water is coming. Okay, look at the altitude it is covering. From here it is falling down and then flowing through here like this. Okay, so it was a good decision not to go there. Okay, no doubt the view would have been wonderful, because I can imagine from what height this water is coming. So view would have been amazing, no doubt, but this weather, and I'm out of time, so I don't want to experiment anything. I'm already experimenting this track because I had to start early in the morning at 6 or 7 o'clock. Okay, but due to bad weather I didn't start it, so I started around 1 o'clock, and I thought I would go till Dungan village, but unfortunately I didn't have idea that this barrier would be there and I had to walk. So whatever I had planned, it's just going totally opposite from this. Apart from like this, I'm thankful to weather, like for being so pleasant. And we are now at curve 25, 6058. Okay, and we are going deep inside. Guys, hold your breath. This side of Manali, I'm sure you wouldn't have seen. I'm sure. People call me crazy, you know, sometimes. I do solo tracks, I do solo rides. So, yes, I'm a little crazy, but this is one life. I'm deadly following this stream. I just hope I get a road up there. So as I was telling you, people call me crazy. So let it be. But they can never experience what I experience. Okay, so this road goes again there, and I don't know till that end, and then again it turns up there. I'll follow this one. Oh, really bad decision. I think water entered my shoes. Yeah, it did. Shake, 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 shake. Wow. But there is no road, I think. Here, no road. अरे भाई रास्ता कहाँ है? अच्छा, रास्ता वहाँ है, वो देखो, वो ऊपर ऊपर से जा रहे हैं। अबे इतना ऊपर कौन चढ़ेगा यार, और बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या? A lot of landslide. यहाँ से गिरा तो झिंगा लाला। Okay. This is amazing. भाई साहब, ऑफ रोड का मज़ा तो इधर है। Look, पानी येलोइश हो गया है। Looks like it is stuck here from a very long time, and yellowish shade जो होता है वो इन पेड़ों की वजह से होता है। अब डोंट आस्क मी ये पेड़ों की वजह से कैसे होता है भाई साहब, मेरे को पता नहीं है। तुम इंजॉय करो व्यू, मज़ा लो इस व्यू का, क्योंकि ये व्यू तुमको कहीं नहीं दिखने वाला। ठीक है, यहाँ पे देख रहे हो ये पानी कितना कम हो गया है, और इसका प्रेशर भी मैंने बताया था ना। सो मोस्ट ऑफ द वाटर इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट साइड। ओके, यहाँ से तो कम ही है यार, इतना ज़्यादा लैंड साइड। लुक, जस्ट लुक एट इट। और यहाँ से ऊपर कहाँ चढ़ूँगा भाई, ये रास्ता यहाँ को, देन कहाँ को। ओके, एनीवेज, I'll take a break. I'll stop my video for now.